Hey everyone, Dan Gemus here with the Dan Gemus Real Estate Team. It's time for your market update for December of 2023. Can you believe it's already the end of 23? Holy moly, time has gone by so fast. These stats include everything leading up to the end of November. Now, before I get to the stats, we should mention, if you haven't heard us on CTV News or AM 800 over the last couple of weeks, there's been some big changes to the laws governing the real estate industry in Ontario. TRESA has taken effect, the new act, as of December 1st. Lots of big changes that are very beneficial to buyers and sellers, which we've covered in a blog. The link is below. You can have a read at that if you'd like. And we'll obviously be covering this over the next few months as the act takes hold and things start changing pretty quickly, which is very good news. It's been in the works for a couple of years now. So let's get to the listing and the sales updates. Very interesting stuff in November. Listings were up 8.39%. This was to be expected. You're noticing it too, I'm sure, on the road as you're driving, and you're seeing more for sale signs, more sold signs out there. Listings were down 10.74%. For the year. Again, the lack of listings at the beginning of the year has kind of been made up for in the second half as listings have started staying on the market a bit longer. Sales were down 8.86% in November, from 350 to 319 sales compared to November of last year. Sales are down 16% this year over 2022, so quite a decent chunk difference there. The average price is hovering in the same location as it has been over the last half a year. $529,000 was our average price in Windsor, Essex for the month of November. Year to date, we're sitting at $558. So we've been hovering in that 550-ish range, 560 for the last few months. We see it continuing to kind of stick around in that same vicinity for the next little bit. They're expecting the market to spruce back up again in the spring, as interest rate, they expect interest rates to start falling again a little bit, not by much, but to start coming down a little bit over the next little bit of 2024. So we'll see what happens. No crystal ball, but they have all kinds of predictions, and we'll see if they hold true. So there you go, really. Now, one fun fact before I go. The average price, again, as of right now for Windsor, Essex County this year is sitting at $558,000. 10 years ago, our average price in Windsor, Essex was $183,000. So there you go. That's the fun fact. Don't forget, you can always hear more information on our radio show on AM 800. It's the Dan Gemus Real Estate Show every Saturday and Sunday from noon to 1. And you can find us online at dangemus.com, or give our office a call 7 days a week if you want a free home market evaluation, 519-566-5565. I want you all to have a very safe and happy holiday season, and we'll do the next year-end update in the next few weeks. So see you then. Bye.